In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create a new Google Tag Manager account. If you already have a Google Tag Manager account, perhaps you want to create another one for a new property, for example, like you might have done with Google Analytics. So I'm going to walk you through this step-by-step process. It's actually really easy. Before I go into showing you this, you might be wondering, and a common question I get asked is, why would you bother even using Google Tag Manager? And really, I think Tag Manager was invented for people who work in agencies who have access to multiple different websites and therefore need to upload code into multiple different websites which would have different logins and etc. So as somebody like myself who's run an agency for a really long time, I'm actually a really big fan of Google Tag Manager. It's just, it's basically the house where you store all your codes, and you can actually get really advanced with Tag Manager and do some really funky stuff, which probably was definitely beyond the scope of this video. But it's just a way of really cleanly handling all your codes. And also, if you install Tag Manager on your website, then you can always get somebody, if you need help in creating codes or whatever, you just give them access to your Tag Manager account and they can upload codes on your behalf, and it's just really easy. As I said, I'm a really big fan of it. Okay, so let's dive in and show you just how easy it is to create a new property. So here I am in Google Tag Manager, and I'm just going to sign in. So I'm going to sign in, and as you can see here, I've got lots and lots of different Tag Manager accounts here. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be creating a new account. So I go new account, or create account rather. I'm going to call it a name. So I'm going to call it Chasing Income, country United States, that's fine. And so container name would be www.chasingincome.com. Target platform web. And we're going to click create. Terms and conditions. Does anybody even read these? Yes. Let me know in the comments if you do read them. I'd love to know what they mean. And here we are. Okay, so it's basically given us some code that we need to install on our website. It's going to give us two lots of code. This first is to put in the header tag, and the second lot of code is to put in the body tag. Okay, so you obviously need to have access to the back end of your website in order to upload this to your website. If you don't have access, you basically just ask your webmaster to, with the instructions in where you need this code installed. And basically Google Tag Manager is not sort of installed on your website until you put these codes on your website. Okay, so I'm just going to pause this video real quick, and I'm going to copy this code into the various places on my website. Okay, so I've just copied those bits of code, put them in the back end of my website, and really, I'm basically done there. I've installed that code, and if we go here to the website, and I go to my trusty tag assistant here, you can see here that Google Tag Manager is there. It's got the nice little smiley face here, which shows that it has been installed correctly. And yeah, so Tag Manager is now on my website, and now whenever I want to upload code to my website, I can just use Google Tag Manager as like the vehicle by which to get that code installed. Okay, if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and even subscribe to our channel, because we've got lots of awesome videos coming up that I think you'll really enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you soon.